Johnny, I brought you your meal.
Chai. Even I say you know as a baby now. Thank you so much, my sister.
Which one be your sister again? I thought I'm your love now.
Oh, not true. You know, sir, I always forget saying me and you na love. Sometimes they escape my mind. What relationship don't do me for this life when person call me my love.
It's nothing.
I always forget.
When you are done having your meal, you can now have the main meal.
The main meal. That one no go bad though.
Let's go inside. I'm feeling hot. Are you not feeling hot?
I think we'll take an easy. Maybe they don't see us so. We will see us so. Go inside. I first they go make I look.
Oh no. My love, wait now. Let me take away your things and match you.
Carry me go where I don't know.
Okay, you can do whatever you want. Jesus, Ijoma, what are you doing? Ijoma, please. Wait.
Have fun.
Ijoma, please delete it. Please, I swear to God, I will not come here again. You will not see me here again. Please delete it.
No, you can have fun.
Ijoma, no, don't do this to me now. Please stop now.
I want to know woman to woman matter.
Ijoma, my love. Please, you know say I love you.
Yeah,
I beg, delete it.
Now we go do business. I don't really need you. I don't send you. I don't send them. You give me money, 12 now go feel have fun. I don't care. Yes.
Okay, now what's involved?
50 back.
Hey, Jesus.
Give me 50 back, then you can have fun.
Ijoma, I don't have
well,
Ijoma, wait. Ijoma, I'm going to people. I'm going to play instrumental. I don't get money.
How much if you pay now? Pay, bring a money amount. I will get.
Okay, I'm coming.
Ijoma plus jumbo yeah, well, let's send flocks together. I bet send flocks together. I feel like the world has left me alone. I feel lonely and empty inside of me. I feel like Wama Buga and where is it na chinefe mwanya na chinefe mwanya oganga ripuma amara na chinefe mwanya na chinefe mwanya.
How much did they give me?
5,000.
What's happen?
That's the money.
That's our money now waiting.
That's the money.
5,000. Which kind of whining be there? I have 5,000 take be my money.
How much I get?
No between 5,000.
So you want collect 20,000? I mean you want collect the whole 25,000?
Come, it be like say you no get respect. So. Me and you do deal finish. Maybe my girlfriend. It bring 25,000.
Who get the idea?
Who get the girlfriend?
Not me tell me you accept him as your girlfriend. Like what? Are you okay? Are you even high? So wait. Not me give you work. I gave you work, they drag money with me. Are you okay? Do you want me to sack you?
Wait, I don't understand. Come here first and they follow you talk. Complete this money. Now please stop that.
No wait, I employ you. You don't have any right to touch me. Do you understand me? You don't have any single right to touch me. Don't try it again.
Wait.
Don't try it again. You are not mad.
Chief, small madam wants to see you. The princess said you should come.
Complete the money.
Give me my computer.
Complete the money. Complete my money.
Come and carry it. I gave you one. We are talking. Come and carry it. I'm not giving you anything again. And if you two talk, I will sack you. Nobody's there. Hey, I don't know. Sorry, mosquito.
What happened?
Nothing. I did not even know that she's beside me.
It's a lie. You saw me.
It's enough.
Sorry. So, Ma, are you okay? You are looking so much. Are you okay?
I'm fine. I called you here to help me judge something.
Oh, okay. Judge what? What did she do? Because I'm not going to spare you. What did she do? I will judge it perfectly for you.
She did nothing, okay?
Okay. Judge.
Ifoma,
Yes, Ma.
do you like this clothes?
My friend says I love them.
Which clothes?
You
love
can have them.
Thank you, my
Love
princess.
this clothes.
Thank
Are you
you.
mad? My princess. What done with that thing?
Why is it your business
Down.
now?
My princess, hold on. Talk to me. Did anything happen? Did she force you to give her the clothes? Did she use charm? Are you under duress? Are you
Can you
depressed?
calm down? Go.
It's not normal. It's not a normal thing for you to give her your
Who
royal.
made you a psychologist? Can you calm down? I'm done with these clothes and I need to declutter my wardrobe because I'm going shopping.
Not for a maiden. A maid, I mean to say. She's a maid. And if at all you want to do something like I'm the chief maid, I should be aware of that. I'm even going to decide who you
Ijoma,
be.
please, just stop, okay? You.
God bless you. God bless you.
Give that tea, no. Give that tea. See, I'm the chief maid, though. I'm the chief maid ordained by the queen herself. You cannot be doing all this thing without my attention or permission or anything. Anything that has to be done in this palace, I should be aware of that, right? So why are you taking the clothes with all happiness?
I'm letting you know now.
What if it is? Carry this to come out here now.
You would stop it, okay? Ifoma, hey, you're going to wear those clothes. And you, Ijoma, you're going to take good pictures of her, please, okay?
Me, I'll
Here.
take picture. I know Sabi take picture. I cannot take picture. I'm telling you the truth. My papa na carpenter. My mama na only wire.
Ijoma,
Ma.
you cannot take good pictures.
Yes, ma.
But you've been taking me pictures since when?
Your own is different. You are a princess. She's a maid. I see now with the rank for that matter. If I take this one royal picture now, she go call the feel like say she be princess. I don't know. My spirit will not even allow me to snap that picture.
Don't leave my hands hanging, Ijoma.
My princess is not good though.
Can you take this from
It's
me?
not
What is wrong
good though.
with
It's
you?
not good though. Yeah, this thing is snapping on that duress. I cannot be snapping someone on that duress. My temperature will go high. I cannot even see what I'm snapping because the anger will make everything blur.
Hey, my princess. God bless you.
You're
Thank
welcome,
you.
okay?
So is she not supposed to be wearing this costume?
Ijoma,
in
you
the palace?
ask too much questions. What is wrong with you? Can you just do as I ask?
She's the one and only Ijoma, Chief Maid, double wala. She's the one and only Ijoma,
A whole me, chief maid like me. Now these people do lose God. God, now you. Princess, give this girl clothes. Princess, carry phone. Give me, say, ma go snap my enemy. Ma snap my enemy. That's why you want to insult me.
No,
Hey.
princess herself don't try. She don't try.
Jesus.
Why she go carry clothes give it for her?
Jesus.
Eh? Why she go do that kind of thing?
Hey.
Even say she won't do that kind of thing. At least she go carry and give Dorati. Make it for the okay for I.
Okay, forgive Dorothy.
Uh-huh.
So what you bring Dorothy for this our talk?
No, I just tell you based on say na Dorati she for.
Now so Dorati madness don't they do you now? Person go to talk important thing. You don't already carry Dorati because Dorati dey your brain.
No, I just feel say that one for no verse if na Dorati. No verse.
Yeah.
Nothing to the verse.
Forbid. I dey tell you something because Princess, me I know say something dey in between that relationship. When me and Princess we dey close, we know they keep secret though. Now she don't come push me one side, enter the relationship with Princess. She don't they keep secret. If I enter where they talk, they go switch talk.
Sorry.
As I dey snap on that picture, I dey use shame. I dey cover, I dey use shame because this person is my enemy. I'm snapping my enemy. God, Jesus.
So it's no good to snap your enemy. Oh.
Hey.
But that secret on you for no worry, Sha. Because me and you, we get our own secrets. May they get their own secrets. Me and you get our own. So no concern. What's happened? Who be your pop? Nothing why I don't go see for these gates. Come here, pop.
Hi, Dad.
My sweetheart. How are you doing?
I'm fine. Where's Mom?
I think she's upstairs. Be careful for this.
No, Daddy, that's not my brand. Anyway, congratulations. Mommy told me everything. I'm so excited.
But that is not her gist. It's mine.
And who told you?
Oh, you're here already.
You that cannot even elaborate on any gist. I had to give her every details of this gist. How are you, my darling?
I'm fine, Mommy.
Come here.
You look beautiful, my queen.
Thank you. Oh my goodness. I love the sound of that. My queen. Thank you.
So soon, I and my siblings are going to be prince and princesses.
Oh yes.
Oh my God, I'm so excited.
So, how is Fred?
He's fine, Mom. He sends his regards. He'll soon be around, and once he comes around, we're planning our wedding ASAP.
What?
Yes.
Oh my goodness. You said wedding.
Yes.
Oh my baby. Congratulations.
Thank
Darling,
you.
this is good news. This is good news. So we have a wedding to plan.
We have a wedding to plan, Mom.
Oh, we have a wedding to plan. Congratulations, my baby.
Thank you.
Come here.
Thank you, Mommy.
Oh, congratulations.
My queen, 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 my king, oh my child, my queen to be you.
It's nothing. It's nothing actually.
My is it my dad is not everything.
No.
Okay.
No.
My queen, to be my only queen.
This is not.
My queen.
Yes,
I came to check up on you. You know, I'm the only person you have in this life that only actually like you and like you to the most.
No, I don't need it. I don't.
You don't need my likeness. You think? I want to know if you are hungry. Let me bring food for you.
Yes.
Okay.
I am so.
It's funny. It's too funny. You're acting.
No.
Okay.
Don't.
Okay. Okay. So, do you want food? Should I bring food for you?
I said no. Let it go, please.
Let what go? The food?
You just make him.
My queen.
Oh, sorry. Can you just hold on a bit? Sorry. I was on a call. Okay. You could go. You can go when I'm done. I'll let you know. Okay. Yeah, you were saying? Are you?
Like this?
No way. I just said you can go. You can leave.
Okay.
Yes.
I'm not the one that blamed you.
No, it was just my help.
Because of you for me. I'm just your help.
Yeah. You know how help Sandy. That should be like 4. Perfect, okay, perfect. So now tell me, if you're willing to like rate from 1 to 10. Angie, can you leave? No, she's just being silly.
Your Majesty, we are here in respect of the throne. We thought before now the owner might have informed you, but it is obvious he did not. The due day is coming close. How are you preparing for it?
What are you talking about? Do I owe you any explanation? You do. We crown you the king. You must oblige to any question we will ever demand from you.
You did not crown me king. The gods and our people crowned me.
We told the gods whom we wanted. And they listened. We crown you the king of this great kingdom. It's still us that want you to vacate from that throne. We cannot wait for the due day again. You know you don't have a son. You only have a crippled daughter. You don't even have a suitor. I want to ask you, do you want this throne to leave this community to another community?
May the gods forbid. Do you remember how we almost go into war because of the throne?
If not because of government intervention, for now I would have been running from pillar to pole because of this throne. We want you to vacate from our throne so that we can crown the person that is much competent to rule this kingdom.
Who is more competent? Azuka, tell me, who is more competent than I am? It's your brother. He has 2 sons that will rule when he finally joins his ancestors.
Vacate the throne.
No. What is lion without its roar? What is snake without its venom? What is fire without its flames? What is gun without its gunpowder? Your ways are mysterious, yet we follow.
Tokago, what is going on? Tell me exactly what is going on and why.
Your Majesty, they are silent.
Silent. Now that things are going chaos, they are silent. Why must they be silent over a matter that concerns the throne? Why?
We cannot question the gods. We only pray and follow their lead.
No, not this time. They cannot be silent this time because time is running out on me. The time is running out on me. They can't be silent. Make them talk to me.
Your Majesty, patience. Patience.
Tell me if they have abandoned me.
Dorothy. You have been quiet of recent. Is everything alright?
I'm fine. I'm fine. I'm okay. Yes.
Are you sure? Cause the Dorothy I know can never be this dull. What happened?
I'm okay.
Auntie, after that level, when am I getting it?
I don't know for now.
What do you mean you don't know for now? So I should be doing what? You have to tell me, you have to know for now. Tell me, when am I getting it? I beg.
Okay, when I get my salary for the month, I'll give you.
When you get your money for the... Please, let story not enter. I beg, I take all the begging. I'm even kneeling down. I beg. I don't want story that touches the heart. Once month and make I know your story. Do you hear me? I beg go. Come up for road.
I don't understand though. No be road be this. Come, Dorothy. What are you owing Ijoma?
Nothing. Can you leave me alone?
I said when you come up for road. You want to stand road.
Wait oh. Which kind wahala be this one? Hey. Dorothy, what are you owing?
I said nothing. Leave me alone. Please.
Ah. Okay. I go mind my business. Sorry, oh, no vex. Whoa. Oh my God. Hi, darling. Oh.
I'm good. And how are you two?
I'm fine. I just got back from shopping. The things are so cute. I can't wait to wear them.
No, I'm not surprised. Actually, I called to inform you that I'll be coming back to the country. We are in less than a week.
Oh, I'm even in the house now. I'll be needing some money to remodel the house and buy some new things.
No, that won't be necessary, okay? I like my old stuffs. And it's not even up to a year I got those stuffs.
Well, they are old as far as I'm concerned. How about the house party? I'll be needing about 3 million naira to organize a house party for your coming, you know.
Cynthia, please, I do not need anyone to know about my arrival, okay? And I don't want the party.
You're not just it at all. You're just a boring babe.
I'm fine. It's okay. I'll talk to you later.
Stingy man. Eh? If you had said this money now, I would have had more opportunity to buy more things. So bad.
Mom, yes? You know? Even if I did, you wouldn't have heard me. The way you were chatting and playing with your phone. Me.
I would have, Mom. I knew it.
So the things I got for you. I went to the market and I saw these beautiful things I decided to buy for you. They're beautiful colors and they're your colors. You'll love it.
Mom, all of this?
Yes, all of them are for you.
Mom, is this a bribe for me to follow you to your friend's birthday?
Nah, it's not a bribe. I know even if I did, you wouldn't have come with me. It's just a gift I bought for you. I went to the market and I went shopping for you.
No, I don't trust you at all.
Doko, can you calm down? This is just a gift, I promise. But meanwhile, who are you chatting with on the phone? I've not seen you this happy in a long while.
Mom, my queen, the love of my life. I think it's time you take your leave, okay? Thank you for the amazing gifts. I love you so much. But I think it's time you go meet your husband.
I just got here. I've been with my husband all day. I want to spend some time with my daughter too.
No, mommy. You need some rest, okay? Bye.
I don't follow, be say I don't follow. I don't love, be say I don't.
Thank you, mommy. I love you so much, okay? And please just shut it up behind you. Thank you so much.
No going back, my dear. No going back, my dear. I don't fall for you, be say I don't follow. I don't love you, be say I don't love you. I don't love you. No going back, my dear. No going back, my dear. No going back, no going back, my dear.
See them. John Bull! Sleeping on duty. Come on, get up.
Come, why you shout my name like that now? What's happening? You don't train you well.
I'm gonna take your food.
Eh?
Yes.
How do the sharp person name like that?
Chop and die. Rubbish.
Who shall be chop and die? Chop and die.
I don't follow, be say I don't follow. I don't follow. I don't love, be say I don't love. I don't love. I don't want to know whatever they say. I don't care about their feelings. I don't fall for you, be say I don't follow. I don't follow. I don't love you, be say I don't love. I don't love. No going back. No going back.
You. Definitely. Yeah, I heard a lot of things now. Don't worry, when you come, you will select. Yes. Home sweet home. Man, I'm so happy to be back. Like, I've missed Nigeria a lot. Of course. Alright, no problem. I'll be waiting for you. Okay. Alright, no problem. I'll talk to you later.
Welcome, darling. I went over to see my parents. I'll come over soon. Okay. Bye, love. Mommy, he's back. Fred is back.
Fred is back.
Yes.
Oh my goodness. This is good news. We cannot start planning your wedding.
I'll come to have a
royal wedding.
This
is so sweet.
Bye.
You can say it again. You can shout it loud so that anybody that cares to know we're here.
Yeah.
It's going to be a royal wedding.
A royal wedding.
Oh my goodness.
Darling.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
I'll
We
come
have to start planning now.
Okay.
Because we have
Bye,
so
love.
many events. Your
Mommy
father's
is back.
coronation and the newest. Your
Fred is
wedding.
back.
Oh my goodness. This is good news. No time to waste. What color would you like?
Ferrous green and pink would be nice.
Ferrous green
and pink, yes.
Why not we go with purple? Purple is royalty.
True.
Purple.
I don't follow, be say I don't follow. I don't love, be say I don't love.
Don't you think it's too early for us to see? I mean, you just got back and you need to take care of some things. Don't you think so? No, don't say that. It's not. It's just Okay, fine. Okay, that's fine. Just fix the date and... No, that's too early. No, I mean, like, I'll be busy and I think weekend is fine by me. We could see you over the weekend. How about that? Yes. Alright, I feel a lot. I feel sleepy now. Okay, I'll just call you back later. I need to go to bed. Good night.
Oh no, why did you choose to harden your heart up to this moment? Eh? Oh no, You understand what is going on in this kingdom. And you are playing difficult, oh no. Oh no, don't tell me that you are incompetent.
What? Azuka, have you come here to insult me? See, let me tell you, I wouldn't take that from you. I wouldn't take that from you at all.
Oh no, I'm not insulting you. You are the one insulting yourself. From the first day you forgot about our customs and tradition of this great kingdom, that was the day you start insulting yourself. No. I want to ask you, how much did this king bribe you that makes you choose the king over your people?
How dare you? I said, how dare you, Azuka, to talk to me in such a manner in my house?
How dare me? No. If the king did not bribe you, why haven't you asked him to step down from that throne?
Oh, wait. You actually want me to dethrone the king that the gods chose? Eh? When they have not spoken? Is that what you want? Tell me.
Oh no, you are a bad friend. You are not a good friend to the king. Because a good friend will tell his friend the truth and to make him to do the right thing, not to put him into shame. Oh no, that is what you are doing to that king.
Azuka, you have overstepped your bound. Azuka, you have overstepped your bound. Be mindful the way you talk to me. I beg you for the very last time. I beg you for the very last time. I cannot dethrone the king because the gods have not said so. I'm disappointed at you, very disappointed at you and every other elder that is in support of all this your gang up against the king just to dethrone him.
Oh no, I can see that you are not worthy to be the prime minister of this great kingdom. Yes.
What?
Yes.
Well, you have overstayed your welcome. Leave my house this moment. I said leave.
What?
Leave my house.
No,
I said leave my house. Don't talk any further. Leave my house.
Oh no, we shall.
I said leave my house. Don't talk.
We shall see.
Come in.
My princess, you called me.
Yes. Please sit. Yes, please sit.
Okay.
Ifoma.
My princess.
I need your help. I need your help for something really urgent.
Okay, I am all ears, my princess.
Okay. I just need you to understand that the situation here is kind of complicated. So I need you to pay proper attention.
Okay.
Thank you. So it's
she's the one and only Ijoma, Chief Maid, Double Wala. She's the one and only women suburbia, okay, you're working suburbia. Anything where you want to, Ijoma is ready for you. If you want to trouble, now she be trouble herself. Ijoma, the chief maiden, she know the fear at all. Anything where you want to, Ijoma is ready for you. Ijoma, biago we bochini. Onyemkwemkwe, na chief maiden she be. No come drag her position. Okay, make what give fair. Ijoma, she know the hear word. If you cross her lane, she go show you shake banza.
Come, no match me. This is where you waka waka. No match me. See my shoe.
I mean, no, but you go carry this to come up for road. Me, no, you join me.
Which kind of talk is that? Sit down now. What did they do? You just they waka up and down. See granite.
You don't understand like this.
Chop granite, make you calm
I'm not
down.
emotionally intelligent, Oga. Calm down. Allow me to reason my reason. We are not intelligent. We are not intelligent, Oga.
Which kind of talk is that?
What for beans?
Which kind of talk is that? Not the intelligent.
Person they worry, person they bother. They are concerned about your go.
Collect granite, chop, make you rest,
Oga,
get
that
peace
to
of
one
mind.
side. Now granite go heal me.
Chop granite. Carry granite.
I will knock that thing come up for your hand now.
It cook best. Chop granite, make you calm down. Waiting they make you the best. This is really they really you're not supposed to make something they pressure you
Take
now.
out the play first. Tomorrow night you go, if you hear say this girl don't turn to assistant princess with the way where they grow this their relationship. You go hear say she don't turn to assistant princess.
This princess matter they really they vex you. So what do you want me to do now? Because the thing they pepper
I want to scatter the friendship. But I don't know what they do. I don't know.
You know, say, waiting the princess need a person will go be in friend too. Maybe say you go distract them, so both of them no go be friends.
Yes now.
See, you get everything just come my mind now.
What is that?
I feel hustle. Make princess for fall in love. Like make princess begin like me. If princess begin like me, na me and I go be friend. He no go make her be friend to her again. And he go reach when the thing princess go call like me. So she won't marry me. You know,
Who is this man? Who are you?
Your friend.
Are you sure you are normal?
Which kind of talk with that?
No, I need to know because the way you are going about all this nonsense you are saying, it's high time everybody just come and check you if you are really okay. Because from play now you go enter market. Are you sure you are okay?
I don't understand. Me and you they find solution for you. They insult me say I know they okay. You know they see am for film.
I dey tell you
something. It
something.
go happen when in Papa, as we don't fall in love, Papa go say, leave my daughter. Because normally, Papa no go want to make me and her daughter be friends based on say I be chief sec. They come tell me say, oh yeah, collect 100 million, collect 50 million, collect 200 million, and leave my daughter. I don't want to see you anywhere close to my daughter. You can now drop the money on top. For Ghana must go. Tell me make her carry her.
You can't collect the 100 million.
Before.
So if you can't turn Christian's friend, and they tell you say if I'm not turn friend, they pursue me come out. You can't turn friend. Now they can't give you the 100 million. The story will come end like that. What will come be of me?
No, me and you go share the money now.
Me and you where I know. You this man where I know. Dora to own. How far I take go?
What thing I take? Now you know be you cheat me.
Sense I use follow you.
No be you cheat me.
If not be common sense, this have to collect that.
You don't give your senior money where price. Instead you say now you bring the idea. You see your life. It is say I go do it. If it happen, I go share the money.
Instead of me to allow you, collect that 100 million or meet princess, make this see when the pepper me. Make keep on the pepper me.
Okay, oh yeah, now leave am. But I beg, no they come my workplace, no they come my dorm begin do that thing. If you want thing, go that place, go GP tank day. Go that place, go they do your thinking. No they work out. Since say you dey talk, I don't bring solution. You say make you remain like that. Oh yeah, remain like that now.
Very greedy woman being.
Remain like that.
From the man, you want his opportunity, you want his small scope. Elevate yourself.
Who you get anybody waiting for this life when they pray for daily?
You don't talk am. You don't talk your mind now. You not even the 100 million they hungry to you. You want to remain there.
You get what's in there, what is that? Chop groundnuts, I want.
Wow, you look so beautiful. Just like the palace.
Thank you.
Shall we?
Oh! Oh my God, don't worry. Let's go.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright. After you.
My queen, please, my queen, forgive me. My queen, forgive me. It's not me, oh. It's the princess that sent me. She's the one that sent me. It's not me. Please forgive me, my queen. Forgive me. Please. Oh, please.
How could you? But tell me how? Why would you do a thing like that? That is despicable. A princess doing something this dirty. I don't know why.
Mom, please. Honestly, I had no idea to get to this point. I was just so confused.
No, what point do you want it to get? Before you know you're doing the wrong thing. Of all the things to do, this? Don't you know that it's too dangerous to even get yourself involved in this kind of nonsense? Are you alright?
I was just...
Hey! Come back here! Don't have to come here.
My queen. My queen. I'm sorry, my queen. I'm sorry, Your Majesty. I cannot decline her request. Please pardon me.
Please, just let it come back. Please, she has absolutely nothing to do with all of this. Please.
Yes.
Please,
She's right.
Why are you doing this?
She's right.
But this game is too dangerous. What if he finds out? Which I know he will. What will you do at that point?
Then.
Get out.
Okay.
This game is too dangerous for you to play. kind of game a princess should be playing? Stop it before somebody gets hurt in the process. Stop it! Stop it, fart with!
I can't. I cannot stop talking to him, Mom. I mean, that's the only man I'm talking to. He makes me happy. I enjoy talking to him. I enjoy chatting with him. He makes me happy. He keeps me sane. Mom, please, I can't. Honestly, I'm just chatting. There's nothing there. It's not that deep. It's not serious.
My love, I'm worried about you. I'm concerned about you.
You don't need to be. I'm a full-grown woman. Please.
I get this for you.
Get this. Which is tell me.
You see what's happening for here today.
Tell me, what happened?
Before man, you get one man will come here, come carry him. If you see I see former dress today, if former dress past princess, she nearly dressed like queen. One man come here, come carry her.
Wait. If a man dressed like queen.
I say full regalia. Full regalia.
A man final.
Man, he remains as a more escort and enter the car. He dressed like saying a royal person.
So, see this what they talk. You see this? If a man dressed like princess.
Tell you.
Man can't carry for man. Bamba. This is don't enter another thing. No. If a man don't get audacity. Oh.
I say this one pass city. This one other country. Other nation. I mean this one. This one big pass city.
Jesus.
Other country. That one don't pass. So how far my balance?
Informa.
Leave Informa first. I say how far my balance for the deal? Eh?
Now they owe you. I buy something for me.
Which kind of talk with that? Maybe 50k they give you. Where the remaining balance?
As she said she no get, ma kill am.
Which one be as she said she no get? Don't be you talk to that when they pay us salary. They never pay everybody salary.
She no get other expenses where she go do. I bet she carry you for mine. He be her husband.
I don't understand you. Not be waiting we talk with this. So
if I'm not dressed like
Flocks together, flocks together.
Hi, handsome.
Hey,
How are you?
I'm good.
Oh, my baby. Welcome. You're good.
So you remember me today? Huh? Even when you did not come to the airport to pick me.
Oh, sorry, darling. I was so busy. I had a lot of stuff to do. That's why I'm here now.
So busy.
Yeah. So, how have you been?
I'm fine. How about your parents?
They're fine. They're actually expecting you soon.
Yeah, soon.
Yeah. So, the stuffs I sent you to get for me, where are they?
Oh, babe, I'm really sorry, okay? I forgot. You know, I had a lot on my mind. I didn't even remember.
What do you mean you forgot the things I told you to get for me? I'm your wife-to-be, baby. Don't tell me that.
Babe, can we not do this, please? Okay? I would send you some money so you can get some things for yourself. Okay?
You're not just sending me some money. You're sending me a lot of money to buy everything I need. Yes.
A lot of money?
Of course.
Have you asked me what happened? Or how was my journey?
Baby, you're fine. Look at you. You look good. You're fine. There's nothing wrong with you, baby. Okay? You're good.
I'm good.
Yes.
Okay, fine. Please. I don't want to talk about it. Please.
Are you good?
Yeah, I'm fine. Fine, please.
What are you doing? Are you walking out on me? Baby!
Mama, please, okay? Please, you really have to help me out here. My princess. My princess. I am so scared. What if the queen finds out? That could be the end of me here.
No, Ify, no one will find out, okay? I mean, no one knows about what's going on. No one would even know where you went to, just the both of us. Okay, if that's the case, I could tell him not to come inside.
My princess, this is not right at all. There's so much risk involved. And it will cause a huge problem tomorrow. Besides, I'm not comfortable at all. I'm nervous and tense around him.
Ify, you really don't have to worry about that, okay? I mean, yes, your feelings are valid about being nervous, but you just have to calm down. Fred is a very gentle soul, okay? Just be free around him and go with the flow. Just, please.
Okay, I've heard you. But this one is the one inviting me over to his house. I hope he will not do anything stupid though, because I will act stupid.
No. You really don't have to worry about that. Fred is a gentleman and he'll do no such thing. You're the only one I can trust with him. Besides, I don't even have any friends around that could help me out. Just you, okay? Please.
It's okay. It's okay. I will help you. It's fine.
Are you sure?
I'll try. Yes.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Ifoma. Thank you.
Welcome.
You're welcome.
Okay, let me go back inside.
All right. Thank you.
Cynthia.
Yes, Mommy.
When is Fred coming to see us?
I don't know, Mommy. Since he got back, he has not said anything about it.
How do you mean by he has not said anything about it? Then make him say something. You two belong together. Don't forget that delay is dangerous.
Oh, Mommy, he has been so stingy of late. Anytime I ask him for money, he refuses to give to me. I don't understand.
Don't tell me that this guy is poor. Because he's supposed to be showering you with all manner of gifts now that he's back. In our house, we are not poor. We give you anything you want, whenever and however you want it.
Mommy.
But what? Come. Do you know that very soon you will become a princess?
Of course now. Can't wait, Mommy.
I hope this guy is ready. Because I do not want a wretched in-law.
Of course, Mommy. He's equal to the task. Even me, I don't want a small wedding. Never. My wedding is going to be tougher and stronger than that coronation. Don't worry, Mommy. It's going to be a blast. Don't you trust me?
Darling, you're welcome.
Welcome, Daddy.
Thank you, my beautiful angel. Hey. Cynthia.
Yes, Daddy.
How's your fiancé?
He's fine, Daddy.
When is he planning to come and see us?
Soon he'll be here. Soon, Daddy.
Your wedding is going to be a very big occasion. The governor and some ministers will be here.
Wow. Wow,
Yes,
darling. Thank you so much, my husband.
You, Daddy.
It's going to be the talk of the town. Darling, how was your day?
So,
how did the meeting go?
Everything went well.
Hey, thank God you're here. We have to go shopping for your father's coronation this weekend.
That's true.
That's true. His Royal Majesty.
Welcome to my humble abode. I know it's not as beautiful as your palace, but please manage, okay?
Thank you.
Oh, please have a seat, okay?
Okay.
You're welcome once more.
Thank you.
What can I offer you?
Sorry.
Montina is okay.
I have some nice wines. Would you mind I bring some so you can test?
No, alcohol. Yes. The thing is that I don't like taking alcohol. Montina is okay, sir. Sorry, Montina is okay. I'm fine.
Okay, that's nice. And what would you like to eat?
The thing is that I don't know if you have food in the kitchen.
No, I don't have what I can order for you. Princess.
No, order. No, you don't have to order food for me now. Where is your kitchen? I prefer cooking food.
You cook? What about your maid?
Maid?
Yeah.
Not that I do cook by myself. I love watching my maid cook. I also love cooking.
Okay. That's thoughtful of you. Princess, are you okay?
I'm fine. It's just that, yes, my shoe.
I want you to relax yourself, okay? I want you to feel at home, okay?
I'm okay.
Okay, I have the basics in my kitchen, but if you need anything, I could send my security to get for you, okay? Listen, I know it's your first time, I understand. I want you to relax, feel at home.
Don't worry, I'm okay. I'm okay, don't worry.
You're so funny, right? Eh? Let me go get you the much you want. I'm surprised I have wines there with you. Just choose malt. Okay, 1 minute.
Jesus Christ. I nearly spoiled something. If God, I beg, ma fi do this thing where the princess won't put me for trouble. She can't have this now, This girl. God.
Where's your friend, Ifoma? Where is she?
I don't know.
What do you mean you don't know? I'm talking to you, answer me. What do you mean you don't know? I spell waiting. Is she not your colleague? Is she not your gossip partner? Where is she? I beg, let me tell her something and be going.
I don't know where Ifoma is. Maybe you should go ask Princess. They were together before now.
They were together before now. They were together before now. They were together before now.
Oh. Please excuse me. Oh.
They were together before now.
Don't leave me in this house.
He has not even called me since I left his place till now. And anytime I call him, his number is switched off. Can you imagine? His number is even switched off. Who even gives a fuck? I don't give a fuck about it. Nonsense.
You scared me. What? Why are you standing here like that?
I'm sorry I startled you. Can I help you?
No. Don't bother. I can do it.
Babe, I insist. I want to help you, okay?
No, I don't want you to stress yourself. It's something I can do.
My princess, I don't want you to stress yourself, okay? You know, I can as well get someone to do this for you.
No, like I said earlier, I can do it. Don't worry. Just go, please. Go.
I know they do everything for you at the palace. You're flexing your muscles here, right? You're showing yourself. Yeah?
It's not like that. It's just that I love doing this.
But I insist. I want to help you. It's nothing.
No. Please. Just go. I don't want to stress you.
Okay, fine. I'll just stand while you clean. I'll watch you. Okay,
No. You don't have to do that. Just go.
Okay.
Yes.
Alright.
Alright.
I don't follow, be say I don't follow. I don't love, be say I don't love. No.
See, my God, this guy no go kill me.
No going back, my dear, no going back, my dear. I don't fall for you, be say I don't follow. I don't love you, be say I don't love you. No going back, my dear. No going back, my dear. No going back, no going back, my dear. I have fallen in love with you, I can't fake it. I am falling in love, Yakata, I can't fake it. My heart is always at peace whenever I hear your voice, baby more. I don't fall for you. Ikolugo be more. Isurugo be more. You captured my heart. I don't fall, be say I don't follow. I don't follow. I don't love, be say I don't love. I don't love. I don't want to know whatever they say. I don't care about their feelings. I don't fall for you, be say I don't follow. I don't follow. I don't love you, be say I don't love. I don't love. No going back. No going back. No going back. No going back, my dear. You are the source of my joy, baby more. We are meant for each other on your mind, love. My heart beat for you, your heart beat for me. Distance is not a barrier. Love is a beautiful thing when you find your lover. I don't follow, be say I don't follow. I don't follow. I don't love, be say I don't love. I don't love. I don't want to know whatever they say. I don't care about their feelings. I don't fall for you, be say I don't follow.
Beautiful ma. You mean he doesn't cook?
My princess, cooking is an understatement though. If you see the kind nonsense with this guy they chop outside, fear will catch you.
Oh my God.
Not a joke, oh. A serious die.
Wait, hold on. I remember he mentioned having the girlfriend when we first got talking. So, where is she?
Girlfriend? Which kind of lie they like give you? My princess, I don't see anything trace of girlfriend for the house. So, as I reach, the first thing I do now to check all the whole corner, whether I go see or to I don't even perceive her. I check all the whole kitchen, even before I even enter the kitchen cook self. I check. You know, same house way man, grown up man day when get girlfriend you go no. Yes. Because one or two things go must be there, but this one I don't see anything. Till I cook finish, I dey search like rabbit, like rat. They check. I don't see you. And I they like give you no mind now.
Well, anyway, I trust you cooking. That part, 100%. Well, why would he lie to me? Like, he said he had a girlfriend.
My princess, is that one me? I don't know. Maybe he's for me. I don't know. But as I cook for a man, I saw it licking hand to tell you say no girl. He lick on his finger.
Trust you. Oh my God, this is... I just want... No, you didn't. Come.
I didn't interrupt.
No.
Okay.
I was just telling Ifeoma something.
I'm telling her something. This discussion that I'm not involved. Hope nothing.
Not yet, okay? Don't bother yourself. When I want you to be involved, you will. I just need to complete some things and clear the air. And I'll let you know. Okay? Ify, thank you so much, okay? You can go now.
God bless you.
Bless you
Thank
too.
you.
Thank you.
God bless you.
And you too,
Thank you. Bye.
She can cook. She can clean. She's very intelligent. What more can I ask for in a home? But there is something not right about her. The way she chats is different from the way she talks in real life. Anyways, some persons are like that. I think I found a wife for myself. I love this girl. I really do. Like, she has everything. I'm so lucky.
I don't follow, be say I don't follow. I don't love, be say I don't love. No going back, my dear. 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 I don't fall for you, be say.
Wait now. Huh? Wait, I want to let you.
If I was to slap, what is this?
Who's me slaps everything?
Are you not humiliated me?
Because of that small prank, now I don't need para like this.
Wait, you call that rubbish prank? 50,000 naira left in my pocket, and you call it a prank? Are you okay?
Wait, you don't give her the full money?
You were asking me.
I won't know now. You don't give her the full 50,000.
So you didn't partake in sharing the money? Oh, I don't get it.
Answer me first, but my body no dey me like my body again.
Look,
this is what I don't hear.
All of you are mad. And God will judge you both. Rubbish.
This way they do this gate, now me supposed to do her like this. Because now me they really depressed now. So they don't give this girl the full 50,000. Now she they. Let me say word on word don't say like this. Okay, man, they here with her.
A lot is happening in the palace.
Fred!
Oh.
Fred!
But the question is this.
Hey! You've not called or texted. Why?
Because I've been busy.
Really? You've been so busy that I have been out of the picture. Really? How?
I've been busy, okay? I've been really busy this period.
So busy that you didn't even put me in the picture. Anyways, I'm famished. What you have?
Okay, I'll send you some money, okay? You can go and get what you want to cook.
Hell no. Of course you're going to send me money, but not to cook. I don't have that time. If you need someone to cook for you, get a maid or probably order something to eat, please.
Order something to eat, Cynthia. Cynthia, what kind of a girl are you? Huh? You don't even know how to take care of your man. You're only concerned about money. That's the only thing you're concerned about.
Please. I'm a realist, okay? I don't know how to pretend. I don't have time, not called in for all that. Meanwhile, when are you coming to see my dad? Like, we need to start preparing for our wedding ourselves, don't you think?
Cynthia, I don't think I can do this anymore. I am tired of this relationship, Cynthia. What kind of a person are you?
Are you breaking up with me?
Yes, I am breaking up with you. I don't want to do this anymore. This is not working. Can't you see?
Like you're asking me to leave?
Cynthia, I want you to leave my house, please. I need peace in this house. What is your problem?
What have I done to you? You're breaking up with me because I asked you to give me money to look good for you? You know what? Nobody talks to me like that. I'm going to leave your stingy, broke, motherfucking self alone. And please, don't come begging. Rubbish.
Oh, beg you. Take your crazy ass out of here. Idiot, you're only concerned about money. Money, money, money. Useless girl. You don't even know how to take care of your man and you want me to get married to you.
This will get mine though. They get mine. The disrespect done too much. Princess get mine, bullshit me. Bullshit me. Then they run package. They don't want to involve me. Involve me. Then they count me out. It don't be for me.
In the same way they count your person out now. They don't do you, they vex you.
Who are they count out?
Where the money, where my balance from our deal, where you supposed to run me?
Don't touch me again.
Make I not touch you again. I dey touch you. You know say your mind dey back. Your mind like this, dey for back.
I know what to tell you this. See, for where you there, my armor is armored for you. I never see where person where employ person go dey open eye for am. Like you dey open eye for your boss for percentage. I never see this disrespect where you dey get. You go land for where you no know.
You see now all this is where they do make you no grow. You and person get deal. They pay you the money, you collect and tell me say they never pay. They tell me say they never pay. I don't get respect. Oya, come on back. Give me.
I don't get talk.
Give me my money. No, give me my money.
What do you want to?
Come on, give me my money. You can say what.
What do you want to?
Give me my money. I go to away you. I go use you to
what do you want to now? Let me want to you. We will employ you. They carry me. We will employ you.
If I do that, you don't see no reason. Come on, give me my money. Give my money. Me and you do this finish. You get my chop me. Give my money.
Who can solve this problem?
Okay. So you go pass for this gate. You go sharp pass for this gate, Abi. Even if we no go pass here, she's the one until they pay me my money. Tell me if
she's the one and only.
Please pick up the phone, please. Hello, Princess. Princess, can you hear me? What's going on? Who picked that call? Oh, what is going on? What is going on? Eh? What is going on? Huh? What is going on? But no, that's not her voice. Or maybe she has cold or something. I don't even know.
The throne is about to be taken from me, and yet the gods are still silent. I served them for so many years. I did not disappoint them. Is this how they're going to pay me back? Is this how they're going to pay me back? Was there anything that they asked me to do that I did not do? Takago.
Patience. Your Majesty, patience.
Patience, you say again. Takago. How long? How long shall I wait?
I cannot say what I did not see. I am only but a messenger for the gods. Your Majesty, patience and hold on. If you have in any way wronged them, but if not, patience and watch them. The gods, I know, don't forsake their own.
What about the time? What about the time that is running out? The time is running out on me. Things are falling apart.
When are you going to tell him the truth?
When next we chat? Any problem?
You're no longer happy. You've lost that vibrant, beautiful young girl.
Oh, I'm fine.
You are not fine. I can see it in your eyes. Just lost that glow, that beauty, that happiness. I know you better than you do. You enjoy his company. You enjoy his chat. You cannot continue to deceive him with Ifeoma. I don't want your father to find out. And you know what that means. I want you to end this game now. End it.
You just talk like it's easy, Mom. Like it's just that easy to... It's fine, actually. It's okay. It's fine. I'll end it as soon as possible, please. But Mom, I just want to be alone, please, if you don't mind.
I will go. I just want you to make things right. You have always done the right thing since childhood. You have always taken the right decision. You cannot begin to go wrong now. Make things right. Please, my child. It is going to be for your good.
I want to ask you something. And I want you to answer me. Don't make remark. Don't go through the corners. Just give me honest answer.
What's gonna happen?
And don't play games with me.
Ha! Okay, I'm listening.
What's this new update with you and Princess? What's this new game you are playing in this palace? I'm lost. Bring me back, please.
New game? What do you mean by new game? I'm not playing any game with anybody. How?
Well, what do you mean you're not? Am I a fool?
I don't know.
All of a sudden, you and Princess became party. Like, you look for somebody to do bestie with his Princess. I don't know whether you use charm do am because looking at both of you, the level there too high. So how did you work? Who is giving you soap? Please, what's the relationship all about? What do we normally discuss? What was the reason for the relationship. And where is this relationship going? How is it going to end?
Ogini, what is it? Who are you shouting for? Eh?
Because I need to know.
You need to know what?
I need to know.
Answer to your question. Go and ask the princess and not me. As you can see, I'm busy doing something. Don't disturb me. I don't need any distraction.
Okay, because you have a relationship with the princess now, you have forgotten that me, I'm the chief maid. Everything that's supposed to be going on here is supposed to involve me. Go through my table. That's why I open the mouth to talk to me anyhow. No respect again. You cannot accord me my respect as the chief maid.
You don't suffer.
So you know that if anything is going on, as the chief maid, you are supposed to involve me before you talk anything or do anything.
No, involve you as what? Eh? Involve you as what? Respect yourself, oh. Respect yourself, not try me. Something to discuss with you.
Please, can you talk to me?
Babe. Is everything all right?
Yes, everything is fine. Everything is fine.
Okay.
Yes.
Babe, what do you want to discuss with me now? Talk to me.
Do you know what? I'll talk to you later.
Why, babe? But I'm here to see you.
Don't worry. I'm so sorry about everything. I'll talk to you, please.
Babe. Babe, talk to me now, babe. Babe. Babe, but
Please. I'm sorry.